To see who sent me their glasses, Vooglam. This video was sponsored by Vooglam, and trust me, you want to stay to the end to see every pair of glasses they sent to me. Vooglam offers a wide range of eyewear, including sunglasses, standard glasses, prescription glasses. So just check through their site and you will definitely see something for you, something you can use for every occasion. I have about 6 pairs here. My order also came with a 3D ruler, and this will help measure my face, especially when I'm going to a physical store to get a pair of glasses. Each pair also came with a clean cloth, and this is what I can use to clean my glasses for whenever they are dirty. So in no particular order, I'm just going to dip my hand in the box and bring up a pair of glasses. Oh, this looks so nice. The gold on these glasses is matte. I've never owned a proper matte gold glasses before, and this is so beautiful, guys. And the fact that it is lightweight, looking at it, you would think it's quite heavy, right? Maybe the gold plate will be making it heavy, but this is actually very lightweight. So let me try this on my face. Oh my goodness. Now this is so beautiful. I think these glasses will be perfect for those people that do not like so many designs on their glasses, because this is looking more plain and natural. And for people that love gold jewelries, right, gold statements, this will do perfectly well for you. This is really beautiful. I like the fact that this is really comfortable in the face, and I feel because the frame is very light, right, so it's making the glasses very comfortable in the face. Now for something like this, you can wear it for the whole day and you still feel very comfortable. You can use them for work, even for casual events, and it's something you can use every day because I feel it's really comfortable. So even though you wear it throughout the day, your face will get tired. I really love the fact that this is gold. The fact that I'm a gold kind of jewelry girly, this is definitely something I enjoy having in my stash. This is really beautiful. The shape is rectangle and I love everything that is happening in these glasses. I also love the fact that it sits properly on my ear, helping it to be more comfortable. So this is the second pair of glass here. The first thing I just realized about this glass is that it is super lightweight. I mean, this should be less than 0.01 kg, but it is super lightweight. And guys, you see what is going on here? I mean, on the handle of those glasses, it is so beautiful. I really love the fact that this part is also very slim. For someone that do not like the handle of my glasses looking too heavy or packed, this is definitely something that gave this glass out for me. This material is definitely high quality, and for glasses like this, you can use them for school, for work, even when you're relaxing, you're just taking a walk. This will do perfectly for you. It is a square shaped glass and it is gold in color. Now tell me you do not love these glasses. No, just say it. I want to hear. Yay, because this is just so pretty. I really love it all. And how can I have all of these gold glasses and you tell me I shouldn't be wearing glasses every day, or I shouldn't be changing my glasses every day to work? So let's show off the next glass from Vooglam. This is giving I'm a 9 to 5 babe. I'm very serious and please don't come to work and disturb my peace. Really like the fact that this is really adjustable. Now, even though you have a wider face, this will sit perfectly on your face. But let's try this on. This is more of a cat eye glasses, and this screams modern chic and a bit of sophistication because this is just so beautiful. I really love the combination of black and gold that is going on here. It just strikes a very beautiful design, right? I also love the fact that it has like this adjustable nose pad here, making it really comfortable on the face. And for those that want to get like a prescription glasses, more for my female viewers, this will do so well for you. I really love these glasses, and I think it's more feminine. It's feminine. I don't think it's masculine at all, so it would do well for my ladies. But aside having this as a prescription glasses, you can also use this for work events. This is really versatile and I really like it. Hey, this is so beautiful. Can you see the handle? It's slim and perfect on the face. Let's go to the next glass we have here. And this is screaming designer's elegance. Can you see what is going on in the handle? I mean, the cross that is here. Now, this is so beautiful. This is a transparent frame with gold templates just at the border. Can you see how beautiful this is? I think the designers of these glasses, Vooglam, they really took time to design this because this has a lot of attention to it. And it is so cute. Okay, let's try this on. This is a square frame shaped glasses. And in fact, I've always not really enjoyed glasses because I feel it just occupy a lot of space on my face. But this is actually doing very well. This is so beautiful. The fact that it is not overly covering my face, right? So I can still see my brows. My brows are out and then my eyes are just covered. Then a bit to my cheeks. This is so beautiful, and this is giving minimalistic vibes, right? It's really giving pretty girl vibes. I really like this. Oh, all the glasses that Vogler sent to me is really beautiful. Now I'm a bit confused which is going to be my favorite. But this glass is something you can use for casual and even professional outings, right? This is really beautiful. This is the next glass we have on here. Just looking at this pair of glasses, it's giving me the unisex vibe. It's something that I can get for my man, something I can also get for my dad or for my brothers. No, tell me this is not unisex. I'm very sure that if my man was here and tried this on, it's going to be so perfect on his face. So why is this giving me I stole my boyfriend glasses, but it is actually meant for me because this is so beautiful. Do you see the gold template that is going on around these glasses? This is an aviator shape and it's really beautiful. It's giving the retro vibes. It's giving, the 90s vibes, and it's giving really cute, sophisticated vibes. And you already know that these glasses is doable because the material is high end. No, guys, this is so beautiful. And for we that do not always like wearing glasses, but we still like to just put them on our head, this is perfect. So I really like this. No, this is so beautiful. Can you see how beautiful the handle is as well? And I like the fact that it's not totally covering my brows and it fits my face perfectly. It's also lightweight. It's not heavy on my face at all. So for glasses like this, I can also use them all day long and my face will not get tired. And for the last pair of glasses on here, this is giving bold. It's giving I'm a bold girl. Oh my goodness. But wait, I don't know if I've mentioned that the lens of the Vooglam glasses are very clear and clean. This glasses is eye-catchy. It's giving, I'm walking to the office and looking at me like who is this, right? Because this is giving bold, it's giving fearless, it's giving really pretty. This has like a rich tortillas pattern going on with this silk gold accent that is paired with the glasses. But this is really beautiful. A glass as bold as this, you can use it for any outfit and it will do just well. And the honey shoes is because I felt this glasses was a bit bold when I bought it out. I was thinking it's going to be heavy, but trust me, it is not, and it is super comfortable on the face. And these glasses would definitely fit my ladies on makeup because just look at me now. When you wear bold glasses like this, really simple, cute, demure makeup, it suits the occasion perfectly. And this is it for all the glasses that Vooglam sent to me. To get 15% off your order, use my discount code Qulity for your purchase. And remember, I'm going to be linking their website in the description box down below. Do well to check them out to see more amazing pair of glasses. Your prescription glasses, your sunglasses, your reading glasses, name them. Vooglam got them. Until my next video, I love you. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay safe. Bye guys.